Okay, so these are the CSST jacket strippers, and what this does for ProFlex, we require the tubing to be cut into the fourth valley. The guys cannot go wrong with this, and you can actually use it with just a hand tightening, but I have a handy dandy teeny tiny drill, and it's as simple as that. So now it's ready for the next step, which is the fitting. Okay, so next it's the fitting assembly, and this is what makes us so special. We have, this is our retainer ring, this is your slider ring, and then this is your silicone O-ring that comes in the package. You have to make sure you have this high temperature gasket that is in there. It comes with that. Now what you do is you put that on first of all, because I always seem to forget that part. And then what's great is that you do not have to flare that or clean out the burrs, okay? That just stays like that. What you want to do is now put the retainer ring, you open it up, you slide it on into the fourth valley, and you clamp it down, okay? Now you put your slider ring on, and then there's this O-ring, okay? You have two ways of doing it. You can either just roll it on with your hands. I have nails, so it makes it a little bit more difficult. This one here, you can actually, we sell these. They go on the top here. This ensures also that it goes right into the third valley, so there's no one that's making a mistake. So there you have it. That's done. Now all you do is put this on, and you hand tighten it, okay? And then once you get to the end of hand tightening, then you take a adjustable wrench and just do a 3/4 to a full turn, and that will seal it, and it's leak proof, okay?